Have you ever pondered what separates achievement from fulfillment? It's a question that uncovers a profound truth about our pursuits in life. In a world where success is often defined by societal standards such as job titles, salaries, and material wealth, the pursuit of achievement can sometimes overshadow the quest for fulfillment. Achievement, laden with tangible outcomes and external validation, can provide a sense of accomplishment, but does it truly satisfy our innermost desires? Achievement is attaining goals and earning recognition from others. It's climbing the corporate ladder, securing financial success, and acquiring accolades. These achievements are certainly significant, but they may only offer temporary satisfaction. The danger emerges when one's identity becomes wrapped in these external validations, creating a cycle of constantly chasing more. But what happens when these markers of success become our only focus, overshadowing our personal values? We become susceptible to setbacks. A professional stumble can shake our well-being when self-worth is closely tied to career success. This is the limitation of relying solely on external validation for fulfillment. Now let's contrast this with fulfillment. Fulfillment is a deeper, enduring satisfaction that transcends external markers. It's about aligning actions with personal values, finding purpose and meaning, and embracing a holistic approach that includes personal relationships, health, personal growth, and community contributions. Achievements can contribute to fulfillment, but they aren't synonymous. True fulfillment stems from authenticity, self-awareness, and choices that align with one's core beliefs, regardless of external expectations. A common pitfall on the road to fulfillment is burdening our professions with the task of providing complete satisfaction. The belief that a successful career automatically equals a fulfilling life can lead to disappointment and burnout. A fulfilling life is a delicate balance of professional success, personal relationships, health, and self-discovery. To strike this balance, consider these key points. Define your personal values. Set holistic goals. Cultivate self-awareness, invest in relationships, prioritize health and well-being, embrace lifelong learning, contribute to others, create boundaries to prevent burnout. In conclusion, the pursuit of fulfillment is a lifelong journey that requires intentional choices. It's about seeking satisfaction not just in achievements, but in living authentically, aligning with personal values, and contributing to the world around us. The journey from achievement to fulfillment is not about discarding the pursuit of success, but about redefining what success truly means to you. Remember, fulfillment is an inside job. It's about being true to yourself and finding joy and satisfaction in the journey, not just the destination. So as you navigate your unique path, may you discover not just achievement, but true fulfillment.